Hello guys, this is Shahzad Rabbani again. Today's video is basically a follow-up of the video which I have posted on 4th of February last Saturday. Remember, we are now on 7th of February 2017 as we are about to start of the European session, particularly the UK session. Basically, the previous video was linked of Swiss franc JPY, and that was I presumed and posted on a daily chart. Before jumping into the chart, let's have a risk disclosure and warning statement from my side. This video is only for educational purposes and FX trading carrying margin and substantial risk. Therefore, it isn't suitable for every investor. Okay, before coming into live, let's have a just a quick review. This is my official YouTube page. As you can see, I have posted on 4th of February 2017 the outlook of this particular pair. If I just click over there for your convenience and just for the sake of reference, it should be better to understand what I was advised or I was suggested on Saturday, and it would be just like an endorsement whether or not the things going on laterally accordingly or as per the conditions, right? As in this video which I have posted, I have advised for selling of this pair round about at 113.40 somewhere, right? So I was asked, as you can see, 113.66 below on this level. As you can now clearly understand, on 4th of February we were there. Okay, I was having a stop loss of 115 above the previous swing high, and we were assumed that the market would be in a downtrend. Let's find out after about 1.5 days of trading, right? Okay, this is now we are live in this pair. I just recalled your memory. I was advised for having somewhere, right? So far we have secured around about 100 pips. One would question, should I retain in this trade or not? Obviously you should, because the market were supposed to exactly what you presumed. The obviously aggressive traders or even the fund managers sort of thinking sort of traders always questions, now I secure 100 pips and I don't want to lose these 100 pips, or even if I were, I would have lost from this earning, from this 100 pips earning. So what can I do if I retain on a risk of these 100 pips which I have secured? For this, remember, this is not holy grail sort of strategy or thinking, right? We just presume that what the market participants doing, we follow them, right? In this scenario, if you just lock up your trade in profit and you want to retain the trade as long as your expected selling trend would prevail, so you just need to shift from daily chart to H4 chart, right? As you can see, I haven't removed the daily trend line. Rather, I believe this is a very powerful trend line. However, in a 4-hour charts, the time frame has changed, so I just need to change a bit of this upward trend line accordingly, right? Because in 4-hour charts we have different candles, whereas in daily charts the shape of these candles probably are not as much as the 4-hourly chart, right? So this is, as you can see, the major big trend is a sell trend, and this is the upward trend, which we may call the micro trend. So after ending of the micro trend at this point, we would put our sell order right on a stop loss of the previous swing high. So if you don't want to lose your own money from this trade, and you just need to retain in this trade as long as the trend persists, so you have to be shifted towards 4-hour charts from 1-day chart, and you take a bigger picture in 4-hour charts, as I have just taken the uptrend. When the uptrend, which is a micro trend, has broken right on that point, I would start my sell, whereas the stop loss would always be on the previous swing high, right? In this case, as I mentioned, this was the stop loss, right? So this is the first scenario, and as long as the sell trend continue after posting every major lower low, the previous lower high would be the stop loss, right? This is the second scenario. So that if you were follow us and saw our previous video with regard to this pair, you would probably enter in trades and having 100 pips profits. So just presume it, give away some pips which you have earned from this market, and take a risk on these earned amount. Getting my point? Okay, so our scenario, our view and outlook of this pair remains same as long as the sell trend prolong. We may wish to retain in this trade, right? However, if you are really an aggressive trader and want to earn every swing, I mean every 3-4 hours swings, then you may get some other levels as well, right? Like this, right? So this is the another sell entry point where you can take entry, right?